name is Chinua. I'm actually making an app which I call Coach 2.0. So my app basically gives a coach real-time metrics of the performance of his players. So my app measures four key things, right? It measures the number of hits a player has taken. It measures the number of falls a player has had. It measures the distance a player has run, and then it measures the player's viewing angle. So if a player keeps looking up or just looking down, then it's obvious that the player is not concentrating on the game. And then also, so some of the use cases of my app is that it helps improve team performance, because I mean a coach can definitely pull out, you know, a player who's been falling so many times. It also helps like the NFL avoid lawsuits, because you know recently the NFL had like an $800 billion lawsuit because of, you know, injuries sustained from hits to players. So let's take a quick look at how my app works. So my app is actually using one of the native apps from Plantronics. So each player has to put on one of these devices, and so when the player puts it on, as you can see, I'm going to just simulate, like, you know, you can see when I tap it, it actually feels the impact. And then, like, you know, it shows like when it drops some distance, it shows like, you can see like the free fall says yes. And so what this basically does is that this device collects the data and transmits it to the cloud. So I have a server set up in the cloud that harvests this data, aggregates this data, and then I also have like a website through which the coach can view this data. So let's take a look at the website. So on the web, this is actually fully deployed on the web. It's running on Azure. So you can see this is Coach 2.0. And as you can see, I have 4 players on the field right now. And so this is like measures the total distance run by each player. And as you can see, it has like different charts and different, you know, notations for the different 4 players. So here is like the distance run. I can click on viewing angle, and you can see like the total, I mean, how it varies. And you can notice that this player, Alex, seems to have a problem because, you know, his line just seems to be flat. And so we can take a further look at Alex to see what's the distance covered by Alex. And you can see that the distance covered by Alex is just way below what every other person has done. And so this is a clear indication that Alex should be pulled off the pitch. Alex should be pulled off the pitch ASAP. So to be able to achieve this, I actually have 4 different terminals running the Plantronics hardware. It's actually, so each of the 4 machines is running one of these. And each of them independently transmits the stream of data to my instance in the cloud. And all this is running in the cloud. I'm using Windows Azure, and it hosts my data properly. I was hoping to use AT&T M2X, but M2X is not matured enough to process the amount of data that I had. So I had to go with Azure.